Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Nokia 8.1, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get Opera Mini Browser. And in a few moments I'm going to show you how you can really easy block ads without any external application, and you don't have to connect it to your browser. There's only one application that you need and we have to wait. Okay, right now we got our Opera, so just open it. Click continue. And right now tap on this icon in the right corner and be sure that all blocking is turned on. Right now it's disabled, but it has to be just like that. And right now when we enter the website, maybe we can go for this one, you will get the notifications that the first ads were blocked, and it's thanks to the partnership with the AdBlock Plus. So right now when you scroll the website, we cannot find here any ads, and I think it's really cool because there's only one application and you don't have to connect here any external apps. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.